Welcome back, bakers. Today, we're whipping up a batch of confetti cake. This recipe is perfect for birthdays because it works great for cake or cupcakes. So naturally, we'll be making both. Let's get baking. Grab your mixer with the whisk attachment, and we'll start by adding your sugar, eggs, and oil. Let them whip for a few minutes, starting at low speed so that everything stays in the bowl and doesn't make a mess. Then slowly bring it up to high. For the dry, we're using cake flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now you want to get that buttermilk into something that pours well. I like this triangular silicone measuring cup because it takes care of measuring and pouring, so one less dish to wash. Speaking of less dishes, let's sift that flour straight into the egg mixture. Lock that bowl in place and start her on low. With a steady stream, we'll pour in the buttermilk, trying to end when the flour is incorporated. Even when timed perfectly, there'll still be chunks. So scrape it down, turn it back up to high till nice and smooth. It should take about 2 minutes. And to finish our batter, all we need is that explosion of color. So time for the sprinkles. Well, I have nonpareils, but either will work, as long as you add them last. Any earlier, and they'll start to bleed, so you're going to end up with more of a tie-dye than a confetti look. Unlike a sponge that has to go in the oven right away, this batter can sit for a while, even overnight if you're planning ahead. But again, mix the sprinkles in just before you bake. When baking cakes and cupcakes at the same time, you don't want to crowd the oven. So I like to bake the cupcakes first because they're quicker. And when the cupcakes come out and the cake goes in, there's time to work on the frosting. I like to use this recipe because the cake is very versatile. Being on the denser side, it'll work well for 3D cakes because of the structure. It will also hold up for a few days if you want to make the cake early. And if you want to show off those sprinkles, you can just leave it naked. Or you can coat it in frosting. I coated mine with my easy Italian buttercream that you can check out on my channel. I recommend playing around with different flavors and fun designs because there's always something new out there to discover. So try it out and let me know how you did in the comments below. I'd love to hear about what you guys came up with. Maybe it'll even inspire me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, just keep baking.